Hello everyone. Our today's question is, among the following correct statement is or are. This is the multiple select question and our option is C2 symmetry element is present in H2O and H2O2 but not in PCl5. So let's check this option. In H2O, this C2 axis is present, and in H2O2 for both the structure cis and trans. In cis structure, this C2 axis is present, and for this trans structure, this C2 axis is present. So this in H2O and H2O2 C2 symmetry element is present, but not in PCl5. See, in PCl5 there are 3 C2 axes are present, so this statement is incorrect. Now for second, sigma V symmetry element is present in NH3 but not in BF3. So in NH3 there are 3 sigma V planes. First this, if we pass this plane, this is our C3 axis which is principal axis for NH3, and if we pass this plane from the principal axis which is sigma V, then these two hydrogen replace their position as it is this sigma V2 and this sigma V3. So in NH3 3 sigma V planes are present, and in BF3 this is our principal axis C3. So if we pass this plane of symmetry, then these two fluorine change their position as it is this sigma V2 and this sigma V3 plane is present. So both structure have sigma V plane. So this statement is also incorrect. For option C, both C2 and C3 symmetry elements are present in CCl4 and SF6. CCl4, which is tetrahedral geometry. In this, if we consider these 3 Cl in one triangular plane, then the axis passes from the center of this triangular plane, then which is our C3 axis. So same for other three triangular plane, we get 4 C3 axis, and the axis which is passes in between the 2 Cl, which is our C2 axis, and other C2 axis is this which is passes from this 2 Cl, and one C2 axis is this. So we get this 3 C2 axis in CCl4. Now for SF6, in octahedral geometry, if we consider these 3 fluorine in one triangular plane, then the axis which is passed from the center of this triangular plane, which is our C3 axis. So there are 4 C3 axis and 6 C2 axis are present in SF6. So this statement is correct. Now for D, 1 sigma H and 3 sigma D symmetry elements are present in benzene. This is our benzene structure, and this is our C6 which is principal axis. Now here 3 sigma 2 axes are present, and if we pass the plane which passes from this principal axis and bisect 2 C2 axis which is our sigma D plane. So there are 3 sigma D plane is present in benzene, and this is our principal axis, and the plane which is passes perpendicular to this principal axis. So this is our sigma H. So in benzene 1 sigma H is present and 3 sigma D plane is present. So this statement is also correct. So our correct answer is C and D.